Hello, my name is Christian Uche, and in this video, I will be presenting my project for the course called Movie Night Mayhem. The Movie Night Mayhem is a web application designed to help people discover trending movies and be able to plan night events and make group decisions easier by combining real movie data with interactive features like events, availability tracking, and probably voting. In this video, we walk through the purpose of the project, the main feature, the APIs are used, and how the application demonstrates the learning objective of this course. So here already on my screen, I have my VS Code open where I have all the code that was written for this wonderful project. Here, the main problem for this movie night mayhem, it solves how difficult it can be to decide what movie to watch, especially when planning a group movie night. People often struggle to find trending movies, compare rating, and organize availability. My motivation for this project came from a real experience. Deciding what to watch with friends usually takes longer than watching the movie itself. I wanted to build something that combines movie discovery with event planning all in one particular place. Yes, the audience for this wonderful application, my targeted audience include the friends planning movie night, families choosing movie together, casual movie fans who wanted to see what's trending, users who want to quickly access the rating and recommendation. The application is designed to be very simple, responsive, and usable on both desktop, iPads, and mobile devices. The functionality of this project, first, the trending movie page, which pull real-time data from the TMDB, that is the TM database API, to show popular and trending movies. So very quickly, I'm just going to pull up down this. So here is my movie night project Mayhem, where we have here in the home page, it displays everything is being displayed dynamically, okay, using the JavaScript and API requests. Here, and we actually have the search bar where we can we can search for movies. Okay, now this search bar allow user to search for movies by their title. Okay, let's take for instance I want the Fast and Furious, so I can search the Fast and Furious by just with the title. Okay, so here we have the Fast and Furious, the result for the Fast and Furious. And the other thing that is very essential in this is the profile, okay, the user authentication, which allow user to sign up, log in, and stay authenticated using JSON Web Tokens. This ensures that features like the events and favorites tied to specific users. Okay, so if I click on the profile, I should wait for the login. So here I ask for an address, a password. So if you're not signed up for this, you can sign up here and then it will be recognized. Now I can go to my event and I will be taken back to this place just for authentication. Okay, also have where users are being logged in to create movie night event, just like this. If I log in into this, okay, so if I log in, I can check my event now and everything will be working perfectly because authentication and authorization happened at the back end. Okay, so I can click on my event and here is my event. So welcome Christian Uche. okay, I can create new ones. So movie night with family, okay, and blah blah blah. All right, so that is it for the movie night event and showing the authentication and login info. We also have the API external data. Now I actually have my API where I got them. Where I got my API. That should be in there. Alright, so here the TMDB, okay, that is the movie database. So this is where I got my API from. Okay, so you can also try getting an API from this web application so that you can start building your own application. Alright, so back to my VS Code. Okay, so back to my VS Code. I have getting the trending movie. Okay, so looking at the database, I already done some of the import from Mongoose. Okay, I'm actually using a simple database, okay, for this. So I'm using a MongoDB, okay, a Mongo database to store all of the data. Okay, so I also have for my data storage where I have the user account, the movie night event, user availability, and all of that. In my VS Code, this is where I was able to add up the course concept, okay, the technologies. That is the JavaScript ES modules for code organization. I also have the async await for handling API requests and the DOM manipulation for dynamic UI updates. Okay. I also made use of the express.js for server side where we have a server.js, okay, calling all of the modules, okay, from different angles where I imported the author route, for example, the home route, okay, and I also have my JW authentication for secure user section. I also made use of the environment variable using the .env. Okay, so I can actually open this, but I'm not going to open this because I just want it to be secured for now. Okay, so one of my biggest challenge in building this wonderful project was combining data from multiple APIs and making sure everything was working perfectly well and everything loaded correctly and efficiently. And another challenge that I also incur in this project is the authentication and database relationship. This was supposed to be made correctly. So in overall, Movie Night Mayhem successfully meets the project requirement for combining multiple APIs and dynamic JavaScript functionality persistent in data storage and also the thoughtful UI design. So that is it for my project. Okay, so I would have loved to walk us through this wonderful code, but for a little I could share, I could say this is my database like I shared before, and I have my middleware where authentication is being checked for login and all of that. I also have my event.js where all of the events are being popped out to create events, okay, and also have my user.js where users, okay, can try logging in or creating an account, okay, and I also have my route.js, the route.js that displays the home page, and I also have not to talk of this, I'm going to make this service email service.js functional, not yet functional. So I also have my layout where I have where you can edit, okay, you can edit your event that was created. So this help in editing and and all of that. So I mostly use internal CSS, okay, for my project, just to design it properly. And I also use some icons, okay, like a pencil and all of that. And for my home.js, yeah, it's my home.js, home.ejs, okay, ejs. So this works for my homepage, and I have for the login, check out for the login. After I use an internal CSS and to style that, just for different mobile devices, so I can track it easily. So this is where my login works. That does the login form. Okay. Now for the search.ejs, so this is how the search bar mostly look like. Okay. Alright, so that is it. So I'm going to stop here for now, and I'm going to look some functionality in this project. So here I can actually look at from my home. Okay, I have this RESV, so I can click on that, come down here, and tick you have already RSVP. Okay, so and other thing that I can do, so this is someone's event, so I just need to go back home and try to do something. So my own event, so let's check my own event. I can also delete, I can also edit, because I'm the host of this event. I hosted this event. So that is how the movie Night Mayhem probably work. So here I can also create another one. Okay, so I can click on create new event, and this will pop up, and I'll create that. Okay, so I just need to create another one. So I can also log out. So when I log out, I won't be able to see events. Okay, so when I click on logout, I'll be logged out. So if I click on my event, I will be kicked back to this place. Thank you very much for watching through this project, and I really appreciate your time, and I look forward to making more videos of my project.